Hi everybody, so today we're going to do an experiment and we're going to explore the word chemical reaction. Do you know what a chemical reaction is? Have you ever taken a jar and put some water and some oil into it and shaken it? What happens? Yes, the oil and the water at first seem as though they mix, but then they separate one another and the oil goes to the top and the water stays at the bottom. These two do not like one another, so they separate. They do not want to be together. Right, for this experiment, what you need is a shallow dish of milk. I've used full cream milk. I've used it because I want a high fat content. Do you know that milk is made of mainly water and fat? Now, not every milk that you buy will have exactly the same fat content. Different brands will have different amount of fat in it, and also you can get the 2% skim full cream. This is full cream, so this should have a high fat content. Then I have a container that has got dishwashing liquid in, mixed with just a little bit of water and a Q-tip, an earbud. Then I've got two different colors of food coloring. You can use any colors you want. You can use 1, 3, 5, as many as you wish. I've just chosen to use pink and blue today. And I'm pretty sure you have lots of these syringes lying around the house. So it's best to use one of them to put the food coloring into the milk. Let's do that. I have my milk prepared and I'm now going to drop a few drops of food coloring, about 5 or 6, into the center of my dish. Right, now what you need to do is you need to take your Q-tip that is dipped in the sunlight liquid and you are going to put it in the center of the dish. Take note of what happens. Do you see how the food coloring is being pushed out to the side? This is because milk has the fat in it, and the fat and the soap from the dishwashing liquid want to be together. So what happens is that the food coloring and the water get pushed out to the side so that the milk, the fat from the milk and the soap can be together. Take a look. The swirling motion is it making room for the fat and the soap to be together. So once again, the chemical reaction here is that the fat from the milk and the soap want to be together. They are bonding. When you do it, why don't you try use different milks and see what happens if you get the same effect? So use 2% and skim milk as well and see if the same reaction happens. It will be also a fun idea if you use colors that mix nicely together. How about using blue and yellow? I wonder what color you will get then.